2010, we designed an Airstream for our friend Miranda Lambert to take on tour with her. It kind of served as their rolling bar on wheels that would stop at every tour date with her. This Airstream has an Instagram account and a Twitter account. It's really part of her crew. It's like a member of her family.
Yeah.
So she just gave us a call recently. She's starting a new tour. She has a new album, and she's asked us to kind of give the Airstream a whole makeover to match this whole new vibe. We're on a really tight deadline with this project because she wants the Airstream on her tour. So Amy's gonna go check out the Airstream while we divide and conquer, and I head over to the store and pull inspiration pieces.
So since 2010, I don't have any idea how many concerts this has been to, but I mean probably over 1,000 shows. And for a 1952 Airstream, that's a lot of miles. And it's been the place where everybody hangs out after every single show. So there's musicians in there, artists, entertainers, press, everything. So there's been a lot of feet go through this Airstream. A lot of cans of beer have probably been drank in here, and a lot of good times. So we're anxious to see what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing is going to need a lot of work. This it still looks somewhat like what it looked like in 2010, but it has taken a real beating. And the floor was actually pink and white checks, and it's pretty much gone. This is hilarious. This used to say beer, and now it just says EE. And here's the R. All this is coming apart. Oh, there's a straw stuck. This was a table. Then all the vinyl on this sofas. I don't know where to put this thing. The original paint we had in here was a little bit different than this, but this has been done with car paint, like automotive paint it looks like, so we're probably gonna have to figure out something different on how to repaint this. Oh, there's a mustache been added to this. We probably should have done this a couple of years ago because it is really needs it, obviously, but I'm glad we're here now to save the day. So now that I've seen it, I really just need to give Miranda a call and just kind of figure out what we need to do next with this thing. All right, I'm in here looking at everything. What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, for number one, I'm sorry. And number two, bless her heart, she's been rode hard and put up with.
I'll tell you what, the old girl is doing all she can, I'm telling you. I don't think a lot's changed since we first did it as far as what you still need it for is a place for everybody to hang out after the concert, right?
Sort of like our rolling dressing room, you know?
Okay.
It's like our gathering place, so.
Yeah, that's where y'all hang out, and it's like fellowship. It's the fellowship hall.
It absolutely is, except with liquor.
Right, exactly.
We've had so many memories from that thing, but definitely could use some gypsy makeover.
I know.
I didn't really have a vision whenever I sent it to y'all. Just like, I'm going to let them do their magic.
Well, I think we've got it under control, and we'll just meet you somewhere out on the road with it.
I'm excited for the surprise.
Okay, all right, and we'll just holler at you soon.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, now all we got to do is start gutting this Airstream. All right, all this stuff has to go. You just want to start taking these out first.
And they're so pretty.
Yeah, we did not do these. We cannot take credit for these. All these curtains can come out. Ow.
There you go.
Oh, that'll help. Woo, it stinks down here. I'm gonna keep this for ourselves. She could have sent us more whiskey than that.
Yeah, they kind of cut us short.
Amy's over at the barn emptying out the Airstream, and I came over to the store to try to pull a few inspiration pieces to kind of get our juices flowing. And for us, that's pulling all the textures and colors and layers together that get us on the right page. One of the things I love are these moccasins. We call these the Woodstock moccasins. Obviously fringe, they have a super hippie vibe. And then we always love studs, fringe, leather, tooled leather. So I'm gonna add these to the pile of inspiration pieces. Another thing that we're totally inspired by, and I think we have to pull into this Airstream, is this tufting. So they're very Chesterfield, and then the velvet. Velvet just adds such a rich texture to curtains or ottoman or the couch or pillows. Also, I'm really excited about the idea of cactus because it's a very Texas kind of symbol, and I think it's something that will resonate with Miranda because we're all from Texas. So I'm real excited to talk to Amie about that. This type of look is really pretty. It's super feminine. So I don't know, maybe we can work something like this in also. I feel like this has a good start. So anyway, I'm gonna take all of my pieces over to the barn and Amie and I can put our pieces together and have a real life inspiration board for this Airstream. All right, Amie, so I went through the store and grabbed a few things. We need to get some really good inspiration and really good direction on this Airstream.
I know. It looks like we're doing pretty good.
I know, we need to get colors and kind of our vibe. I mean, Miranda has said not much, right? Like Living Like Hippies is the name of the tour.
Right.
The song is Highway Vagabond.
She actually said, I don't even want to send y'all any inspiration.
Oh, okay.
It's like, I just want y'all to do what you think. I don't want to send inspiration.
Well, you just want to talk it out?
Yeah.
So obviously these feel very Living Like Hippie. And
yes.
I know we'll work in fringe, which this was kind of a repeat
But you know
of
what
that.
I didn't think about was us using suede like this. You know what I mean? And that might be a good idea.
And I love this color. I love
I do too.
the natural element of this color.
I do too.
The snake, I love this.
Me too. Well, and see, I love this. I feel like if we could translate this whole thing into
something.
into the Airstream.
Right. And I love this velvet on here.
I know, I do too.
And you know, it's kind of actually like the velvet I picked here.
Well, and it's like the color of the poster right here too.
This is super feminine, so it may be too much.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
I still love
That's
these.
like the gypsy element right there.
It
though,
is the gypsy,
you know.
and Miranda's super feminine.
This macrame
Yes, that feels very boho.
feels boho, but kind of feminine. It's soft.
But I also grabbed at the store and somehow didn't make it over here, a cactus.
Oh, I think we should
So I
have a
thought
cactus in there for
incorporating cactus somehow brings in the Texas element also.
sure. I think we've got more inspiration than we even need. So I think we just need to go into full highway vagabond mode.
All right, well then
So-
let's get in there and see what we can get started on.
Okay.
All right, we're killing time. You ready to get busy?
I am.
I actually do have a confession.
Okay, what is it?
A lot of guitar picks.
Time to pop 'em.